So we got the trailer brake released, foot brake down. We just changed the glide hands. We always verify our repair and make sure everything is good. So we have all the lights and brakes on. So we should have all the lights. Kind of hard to see with the glare, but all the green lights are on. Now we have both of them capped off. So we got some water and soap. Spray everything down. Okay. No bubbles. No bubbles. Now, what else are we gonna do? We're also gonna spray the hose down because I've had these hoses defective from the factory. And I don't want my client coming back to me like I'm a moron, putting in brand new hoses and leaking air all over the place. So even though it's wrapped, some of the water and soap will get in between. And I just wait for some bubbles, if any come up. Okay. If it starts bubbling anywhere. Otherwise, I don't hear any hissing. I don't see any bubbles. All the lights are working. We're good to go.